Aggression in dogs is a common concern for pet owners and can range from growling and snapping to biting. It can happen because of fear, territorial instincts, pain, lack of socialization, or protective tendencies. Here are some simple and effective ways to stop a dog's aggression and help them stay calm. Teaching your dog obedience gives you a way to gain control in challenging situations. When your dog listens and responds reliably to your commands, it becomes much easier to redirect their attention before aggressive behavior escalates. Using a no-pull harness can help manage a dog's aggressive or reactive behavior by giving you better control over their movements. The front and back leash rings allow you to gently redirect your dog and prevent lunging or pulling, reducing tension and stress. This provides a safe way to guide your dog, helping them stay calm during walks and maintain aggressive behavior. Establish your authority by teaching the dog when it is safe to interact. Simply ignore the dog's intrusive behavior to show that you are in charge. Next, use the 3-strike rule to set boundaries. The first strike moves the dog off the couch, the second moves the dog off the couch and further away, and the third gives the dog a brief timeout by placing it in another room for 5 seconds. Repeat this process until the dog understands not to invade your space. Dogs react when they feel unsafe. During walks, place your dog between you as if it has bodyguards around. Next, work on gradually achieving calm walks from the front door to the end of the road. Do not move forward when the dog pulls, as this teaches it that you are making the decisions. With each attempt, progress a little further. This approach helps your dog become calmer at home, on walks, and around other dogs. Using a muzzle is an effective way to manage a dog's aggressive behavior safely. It prevents biting or harming people and other dogs while still allowing the dog to breathe comfortably. This is especially useful in public places, giving you control and peace of mind while keeping everyone safe. Sometimes a dog's aggression may be caused by pain or an underlying medical condition rather than behavioral problems. Take your dog to a veterinarian for a thorough checkup to rule out any health problem. If your dog's aggression is serious or does not improve with basic training, you can seek professional help. A certified professional can help identify the root causes of aggression and create a safe, effective training plan. This approach can help reduce aggression and improve your dog's overall well-being. By using these methods, you can help your dog manage aggressive behavior and learn to behave calmly around others.